This is a normal Excel sheet, and if you want to create a page break preview view in this normal sheet, you must simply use a keyboard shortcut. That is, you must and this is the Alt key. You must press and hold this Alt key, and at the same time you must press this W key. Also, you must press this I key, this one I. So you can see that we have reached this page break preview section in this Excel page. So you must remember, you must press this Alt key and W key at the same time. After that you must press this I key also without removing your finger from this Alt key. Okay, you can easily select this by another method also, that is simply in the top there you can see the view option, and from the view, if it is in normal, you can simply select the page preview break preview from here of the serial. See for more videos, subscribe and Online. Thank you.